Name?
Anna.
Anna. Was in Sicily. About your Sicily experience.
It's wonderful. I felt in love actually with Sicily.
We
Yeah.
are in Terra Verde. Told me this is a place where you can, the only place where you can find.
It's true. Yeah, this is the only place where the food is really delicious. So the vegetables, fruits, cheese, whatever you choose, it's very special taste of Sicily.
Can I show you?
Yes,
She's arrived with this here. Anna, she is looking for.
Exactly. We have a beautiful apartment in the middle of Berlin, and we would love to exchange apartments and to have a chance to visit Palermo again, and people to come and visit and enjoy Berlin.
So tell me about your visiting Sicily. Why you would like to come back?
Many reasons, but I would say the most beautiful thing was people, because we came to Palermo at the end of October, beginning of November, so many local people were there. And there were special weeks where we could just go to churches, to special places in Palermo, and people would just open their doors and explain us a lot of history and culture and everything. And just the way the people connect is very special. This is why we would love to go back there.
Maybe you are talking about Le Vie dei Tesori?
Yes, exactly. See.
The organizer is Laura, is our friend, so you can say.
Okay, yeah. Hi, it was a beautiful experience, and we were first time there, and it is the best thing that could happen.
So we are waiting for you in Palermo.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank